Good afternoon. Today I'm going to discuss about the course project for algorithms and complexity subject. So, so create an intervention. How will you inject the learnings that came from this course into real life application? So, first of all, we need to discuss what is algorithm. So, algorithm is a step-by-step instruction to do things. So, it can be as simple as baking pancake, then doing laundry, the traffic light, or uh, as much as extensive as the flying a shuttle onto outer space. So, how do we define a sample algorithm? So, for example, so as I said, algorithm is a set of instruction for solving a problem or accomplishing a task. So, as simple as a cooking pancake or as extensive as flying a shuttle onto outer space. So, let's take, for example, the pancake. So, in order to cook a pancake, we need the steps. First, we need the ingredients. Then we need the steps to put the flour and milk into a bowl. So, crack the egg, then whisk the ingredient, then pour the mixture in the pan. We cannot do that and not in that order because that's the algorithm of making the pancake. So, you cannot put the egg on the pan, so it's not a pancake already. You need to mix first before you put the pancake. So another example of our uh, algorithm is a traffic light. So in traffic light, you cannot go. The traffic light should have an algorithm that it should give way from one section to another section because if everybody is green, it will cause an accident. So the algorithm of the traffic light is very extensive that especially when it's in an intersection. So that's one of the application of the higher algorithm. Then on our course, we discuss about the string filter format. So how can we apply the string algorithm, string search? So that one we can use in our email filtering. So we can create a string search to determine if it's a spam or not. So if you found some keywords that suspicious or keywords that you don't need or like you won lottery like that, so you can consider it as a spam, adding maybe a source where it's from to or what's the subject. You can key it in the spam, so you can add filter on your email to separate the spam from the real email. Another thing with our new phone, with Android and Apple's technology, when we take a picture, we can determine already who's the person on the pic. The algorithm of the phone or the algorithm of uh, the phone, the software can determine who is that person. So that's face recognition. A major application of this face recognition is on airports. In Japan or on other airline, now in Singapore, uh, in the immigration, instead of queuing for a passport for the officer for you to check for you, locals and residents don't need to queue in. They will just show their face to the gantry. Then, once detected, once okay, they can proceed to go inside already. No need uh to queue very long like in Philippines when the immigration officer were going back. So it's very long queue. So hassle for uh everybody. So that's another way of implementing the algorithm to our technology. So in conclusion, how are we going to implement? I mean, in conclusion, every day we already have our algorithm. So from simple, like I said, baking pancake, cooking food, doing laundry, traffic light, face recognition, and the other else. So, as a computer science student, we need this algorithm heavily through coding. We will need to know the requirement of the application that we want to build. Uh, Using that, we must determine how are we going to code our application, what will be the algorithm, like the key in, input, and what will be the process, what will be the output. Should it have a lookup? Should it have a uh, date format? When will it be submitted? Should it be routed to another officer? So something like that. Uh, we must know how the algorithm works so we can continue enhancing and evolving. So, like I said, algorithm is one of the gifts that we have as a human because that separates us from other species, meaning we have our logical thinking. So, in the future, with our algorithm power, we can continue evolving for better future and technology. Thank you.